Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video now I'm going to work with this the welcome page. I have opened here the netflix.com. I'm not signed in, and as you can see, or let me just zoom it a little bit. Yeah, here we have this section, the hero section, with a background image. We have the logo, a button here, a header, some text, and then an email input and also the button. Then we have another section with text and image. The same we have down there, just we have changed the position. And down there, as you can see, image, text, image, and so on. Then we have this questions section and also the footer. And I'm going to create something similar for our project on the welcome page if we are not logged in. For that, I'm going to open the Tailwind UI. Also, I'm going to open the flowbyte.com. I'm going to open some websites where you can find Tailwind CSS components, pre-built components, so you don't need to build yourself. Also, I'm going to open the UI.cm. Okay, here is only for React, and then also the pre-line, which also here you can find some components. Okay, so we have examples. We have hero sections, for example, preview HTML, and you can copy and paste in your project. Okay, so for example, we can copy this one and transform into this one here. We can adjust the background image, or we can go to Tailwind UI, and also here you have some free components. So go to browse components, we have page sections, go to hero section, and yeah, also the first one is free, so you can copy, and here also you can choose between HTML, React, and Vue. If you are working with Vue, for example, you can choose Vue here. Then the others are paid. On the Flowbyte also we have blocks. Go to blocks, and we have hero section, for example, right here. You can show the code and copy that code. And let's get started. So, as I told you, let's copy this one and transform, or let's copy this one and transform into this. So I'm going to choose React because we are using with React. I'm going to copy this, and then let's open the VS Code. First, I'm going to navigate in the resources, JS, components, and here let's create a new directory, and I'm going to name it frontend. And here I'm going to create the hero section, hero section.tsx. Now I'm going to paste that code here. Okay, all the component, the whole component is ready for us. Now I'm not going to work with the navigation because we don't see navigation in here if we are logged in. So for that, I'm going to remove navigation. And as you can see here, we don't need this state. Also, we don't need this. And we need to add here our logo, which is in the public images. We have this Netflix logo PNG. So let's do that. Let's add that in here. And we can do that by saying slash images slash Netflix logo.png. Okay, I'm going to say here Netflix and also Netflix here. And we have this for the mobile, but I'm going to remove this one. Also, let's remove this. And let's remove the dialog. Okay, so we don't need also the dialog. We need to change the name. So hero section. And then let's save first, and let's open inside the pages. We have the welcome.tsx. I'm going to leave only the head here, or welcome to Netflix, and then remove everything. Okay. Here now I'm going to add that hero section. So hero section, self close that, and I'm going to save and see now what we get. So this is a project. We need to run also the npm run dev in our project because we made changes, and now refresh here. And yeah, we have the logo. We need to change the button here, and then we need the other background image. So let's start with the anchor tag, text, not text small. We don't have a text small here. So I'm going to remove this. Just change the text to be white. And then I'm going to say BG to be red, 600. On hover, we can change that. I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, let's save and let's see. Oh, yeah. Now I want to add also rounded. We can add also rounded MD, MPX, and PY. Not text small y, we have text small here. I think we are good now. Then change that to sign in. Okay. We have 200% here. Here we have 200%. Okay. And this is how it's going to look, just the button. Maybe let's say text small. And I think we're okay. Now scroll down and remove this one, which is this still here. Okay. Save. Oh, good. Next, we need this to make a text white, and we need to add a background image. So let's scroll up, and we have navigation, a header, and then we have a div here. Instead of BG white, we can add a URL. So I'm going to say URL, and the URL is /images, and I think it's not hero, but Netflix BG. Netflix BG. If I save and see, yeah, we have something like this, but we need to make the text white and change also some stuff here. So I'm going to cut this and add another div with the class to be width full and h to be full, and then BG I'm going to say black. Then I'm going to say a BG opacity, I'm going to say 70. And inside here, I'm going to paste what we had. Okay. And yeah, here is what we have. Now change the text to be white. So the header, we have text gray. Instead of text gray, I'm going to say text white for this one. Font bold or extra bold. And then also this one is going to be text gray 200. And I think, let's see. Yeah, we are okay with this. Just change the button to be red here. Get started. So where is the button? We'll get started. Yeah. Here we have this, change the indigo to be red. Okay. Text is white. The text also, I want to make this text to Excel. Let's see why we have this text small. Not text small, just text to Excel. And yeah, we have this get started. Also, I'm going to add this here. So let's copy the span or cut. And I'm going to paste it right here and remove this anchor tag. Leave only this one. And I think now we are okay. I'm going to remove this div. Yeah. Here is our Netflix. Here is the original Netflix. Okay, I think we are good. We can do better, but we're not going to take all the video working on this section. So now let's create the second section, which is this one. For that, let's go and copy this code here on the flow byte. So we have this section with the right image and text on the left. So inside the front end, I'm going to create a new, and let's name it new component. Let's name it right section, right image section dot tsx. Okay, I'm going to create a React arrow function component, and then here we can put the HTML. We need to change the class to be class name, and I think also the image, we need to self-close the image. Let's see, let's save and let's put on the welcome. So I'm going to say right image section, save, come here and scroll down. And yeah, here we have. We can also zoom out. And here it is. And I think also if I zoom out this one, yeah, we have almost the same. This we need to be black. And also let's go and grab some images for Netflix. Okay, so I have downloaded all the images, 4 images, and I'm going to copy them. Okay, so I downloaded the images, and now let me paste in our images directory. Okay, so I named Netflix 1, 2, yeah, this one, web, and this one. Good. Okay, now let's start. Let's see. Here we have the h1 and a paragraph. In our project, we have also the buttons, so I'm going to remove the buttons. The anchor tag. This one and also the second one here. Okay. Next, the BG is going to be black. We have gray 900. So just let's say black for now. And yeah, we have something like this. Let's copy this and paste it here. Now you can write what you like, but just I want to be precise with this Netflix. Come here, and yeah, also we need to change the image. For that we can say /images/ and I'm going to choose the Netflix one, JPEG. So Netflix -1 JPEG. If I save that, and let's see, yeah, here is our project. We have the image and we have the text. If I zoom it, now instead of creating 4 sections, so here we have 4 sections, I will create 2 sections, one right and one left, and then add the headers and also the image as a prop. Okay, so let's go up here and let's say we are going to accept the header, text, image, not image, just image alt and image URL. And because we use TypeScript, now we need to also types for header string, text string, image alt is string, and also the image URL is string. And then here, instead of this, we can display the header. Here we can display the text. Okay, on the source, we can display the image URL. And here, the image alt. And I think we are good. Let's save, let's come here, and let's see right now. Yeah, we don't see that, nothing here, because we need to put them. So go on the welcome. So let's say here, and we don't need them, the handle image error and this one. Yeah, I don't think we need them. And also the auth. Yeah, we need the auth, but PHP version and Laravel version we don't need. So let's leave it and let's remove this. Okay, now with the create here a constant and say header. We send to be equal with a string, and I'm going to paste that in. Okay, so this code. Good. Next, I'm going to create a constant for text. Then I'm going to create a constant for the image URL. So let's constant image URL, which is going to be images, not this one, but what we have here, Netflix 1. Okay, so Netflix -1 and is JPEG. And also we can add here the image alt, which is Netflix TV. Then let's say header, text, image URL, and that thing. And if I save, and let's see now, yeah, we have this one. Okay, let's go and create from the right section a left section, and I'm going to save this as a left section, left image section. So let's say left image section. Okay, also this one is going to accept header, text, image, and so on. Just we need to change the direction, so I'm going to cut this and paste it right here. Okay, I'm going to save. Now let's go right here. I'm going to copy this and paste it. On the welcome, yeah, we need to say this is header 1. Also text 1, 1, 1. Also the same here, because we are going to create also for the second one. So I'm going to create a constant header 2, and then here I'm going to say this one. Next, we can create the text, the image 2. I think we are good. Let's see. Netflix 2 JPG. Okay, then alt. I'm going to add what we have here. And then the text 2 which is going to be, let's copy what we have here. Good. Now we'll add here the left section. Now let's go to left. Yeah, I think we need to rename this double T. Okay, and also we need to rename here, not right but left. And now we are okay. Let's go to welcome. Let's use that left section, and we need to put the header, which is going to be header 2 text, text 2, image URL 2, and image alt 2. And why we have this left image section? We have here left image section. We need the same thing down there. And then let's go and put it section. Okay, let's see. We have the right and we have the left section. Okay, now we can do just copy this one and paste it down there, and we need to create also text 3. So let me just go and create here constant for header 3, which is going to be equal with this one. Then create a constant, say in image URL 3, image URL 3, which is going to be I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Now for the image, what we have, Netflix-3 WebP -3 WebP. We need also to add the image alt and the text. Text not 2 but text 3. And for text 3 I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste it. And I think we are good. Let's do the same for the text 4. I'm going to copy this and say constant header 4 to be equal with this one. And then we need the constant, not header but image URL 4, which is going to be equal with, just copy this to save some time, paste it right here, change from 3 to 4, and not WebP but PNG. Okay, so we have here PNG. Then create the text for which I'm going to copy also that one in here. And we need also the image alt, which I'm going to leave it like this. So right here I'm going to change this one to 3, also this one to 3, 3 and 3. The 2 I'm going to change to 4. So let's select this and change to 4, and I'm going to save and come here and refresh. And here we have the first section, the hero section. Then we have a first section, we have a second one here, we have a third one here, and yeah, here on the fourth one, the image PNG like this. And now we have also that one. But as you can see, we have something like this here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the app. So we have on the views here, we have this app.bleed, and I'm going to add on the body a BG to be, let's say, gray 900. Okay, I'm going to save, I'm going to close this, and on the left and right hero sections, I'm going to add, let's say, margin bottom of 2. Okay, so we are on the left and also the right, the same thing. PG black and margin bottom to be 2. And also I want to save, and on the hero section I'm going to add that. So margin bottom of 2. I just save, and let's see. I refresh. Yeah, now we can see this one here, also here, also here, here, and here. And we have almost the same thing as here. Yeah, we have this section, but I'm not going to create this one. So here is our project, and here is the Netflix project, the Netflix website. Okay friends, that was all about this video. Now if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.